Max, the popular streaming service, formerly known as HBO Max, has announced a price hike on its streaming service ad-free plans. This change affects new subscribers with their next billing cycle on or after July 4th. Max offers a wide range of content, including movies, TV shows, and original content. However, the price increase will affect both monthly and annual ad-free plans. Warner Bros. Discovery, owner of Max, raised the price of the service last year, although it's expected that this latest increase in price may be due to the rising cost of content production and the need to stay competitive in the streaming market. However, with increasing competition in the streaming industry, Max is likely looking to maintain its position by investing in more content and features. The standard ad-free plan will now cost $16.99 per month, up from $15.99 or $169.99 per year, up from $149.99. The 4K ad-free plan will now cost $20.99 per month, up from $19.99 or $209.99 per year, up from $199.99. The ad-supported plan remains unchanged at $9.99 per month or $99.99 per year. NBC Universal is also raising the price of Peacock, a video streaming platform, by $2 in July, whereas Disney also plans to charge users for password sharing this month. This trend of price increases may continue as streaming services try to stay profitable and competitive. With its extensive content library and features like 4K streaming, Max is a popular choice among streaming enthusiasts, apart from the price hike.